Creating texture image in Adobe Photoshop. For applying in Autodesk Maya. For UV mapping, go to File, New, and rename it UV mapping texture, and select the width 2480 by 2480, sorry, 2448, 2048 by 2048. Click Create. Now create a new layer and select the shape tool and select rectangle tool, and fill color select yellow, stroke color select pink or red, and stroke size type 27, and draw just like this. Now move tool, select the layer and move it to adjust the corner. Go to edit, copy and edit, paste, place it here. And again Ctrl V to paste. Just like this. Select all the three. Press Ctrl plus T for free transform and adjust it to here. Select this. Now select all the three shape layer. Go to edit, click copy and edit, paste and move it just here. Press Ctrl plus V to paste and put it here just like this. Now select all the shape. Again press Ctrl plus T for free transform and adjust to the layer. Click on this icon. Now press Ctrl plus G to group all the shape layer. Again select text tool or type tool and drag just like this and select 72 and type. Here I type M. Select this, increase the size, just type 100 and click here, type here A, click on this icon, select, type Y, click and type B, again do the same process. S, D, L, and B. Click on this icon. Now select Move tool and put it to the middle. All the letter middle of the shape layer. Put it just like as shown. B letter is already exist, so just click here and change it to type R and click on this icon. You can also click here and change the font. Just click here and see. Which font you like. Here all font are available. I choose this Westwood. Sorry, click here. Type Westwood and do the same for all the letter. Now Move tool, select all the text layer. Shift select. And press Ctrl plus G to group. And now go to File, Save. Save as, select JPEG and put it to here and press Save. Click OK. This will save the texture for UV mapping in Autodesk. Now open your Autodesk Maya and take a polygon cube and scale it slightly. Go to Modify, Freeze Transformation, right click, assign new material, select Lambert. Click on this color checker box, select File and locate the texture file which you create in Photoshop. This is the file. And to see the file on your cube which is applied, press on this icon, texture icon, or press 6 on your keyboard. Now select this cube, go to UV, select automatic, click on this icon automatic, and now change workspace Maya Classic to UV editing, just like this, and right click here and select UV shell and select all the UV shell, select move tool and move it just like this. See, U letter. Now select this shell and move it here, this shell and move it here, this shell, sorry, first this shell, move it just here, this here, this shell, this is already placing correctly. So when you click, right click here and go to UV shell, this will make all the 6 UV separate and you can move it as you like. Now again go to Maya Classic and object mode, select and see. This is the automatic UV projection in Autodesk Maya, which is easy and quick. All letters are placed correctly. See.